backup sensor's picking up something. That's weird. Give her a little gas. Oh, I think we just hit something. What the heck? Bert on 715 says, don't ruin your truck for likes, because you'll be popular while it's happening. But after, you'll just be without a truck. I wonder where it went. Even if I blew it up, it'd still be here. Masonry63 goes, wow dude, I could have used that to start my business and feed my kids. Some people. Mason, how does this truck have anything to do with you starting a business, bud? Or feeding your kids? It's just silliness. But Mason, the Cummins thanks you. Now, I don't know why this is the case, but it is, always has been, and in my opinion, always will be. And it's a shame. Now, if you're sitting behind a computer, a cell phone, an iPad, any smart device really today, which just about every single person in the entire world has, which is why people are saying, oh, it's becoming a monopoly. But if you are one of those very many people that have one of those devices, chances are that at least once, twice, probably 3, 4, or many more times, you have been a complete in the comments, in the messages, on the interwebs. Chances are you, my friend, have been a hater, a douchebag, a bleep. Fortunate, but that is the case, and that's the world we live in today, where if you're gonna put yourself out there on the interwebs, no matter what you're doing, what it involves, no matter your beliefs or any opinion you have, there's going to be people out there that, boop, 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 you can't see me, we're not in person, so comment. But, like I said, no matter what you're doing, there's going to be people out there. And since they can't see you, it's not a, hey, how you doing? My name's Jim Bob. I'm Bert. Oh, what's up, man? Nice to talk to you. Hey. Yeah, since there's none of that, absolutely none. I mean, even when you go out now, put a mask on, crawl into a corner, hide over here. Oh, where's my safe bubble? Yep, so you get the old commenters, and luckily for us boys on the old Bert Build Specialty channel here, featuring many things. You can check the content, it speaks for itself. But we have thousands and thousands and thousands of hate comments, and lots of comments in general, but we're gonna read some, and unluckily for the Cummins. So we're gonna read them. Of course, every comment equals one whack of destruction to the old Cummins, the old 5.9 King Ranch, twin turbo, compound everything. We're gonna go username and comment. We'll put it up on the screen for you guys to read. You can see for yourself. I tried to find, there was one about abortions and killing yourself, and a couple other things about my own truck and what I do here, and people are just like, yep, that's fine to say on the internet. Huh, that's a little weird. Huh. And you might be noticed I'm showing my tiny house in this too, because then I'm just gonna blow that up and build another one, just like the truck. I'm gonna break that like I already have 16 times and then build another one. Oh, what? Oh wait, it's all documented on the interwebs. That's right. Awesome one. Direct message on Instagram, 4:30 in the morning, from Emiliano Oceanus. Daddy's money, laughing face, can't make views, Ask Papas, period. I work 78 hours a week. You're a joke bud, laughing face, skull face. Oh, man. Oh, we got Colton here. Again, at least he's trying. It's not even lifted, laughing face. But 24 by 14 wides on 37.5-inch tires. Those don't fit on anything if it's not lifted. Caden Cookie says, bro, what's your plan? 2002 Tahoe's B? If he really wanted to be whistling diesel, he would set it on fire in his driveway. Nicholas Owens _7. Put a match in the gas tank. That's hilarious, bud. This guy's name is Raul with an R. Raul Rivera 091. I mean, his profile picture, he seems like a good guy, would be a good dude, just your average Joe, but nope, turns into a hater on the internet. Hater. But Raul Rivera 091 says, damn, I could have used a truck like that for my company. And then put some emojis. Bud, go buy a truck for your company that's not this. Brian Murrill 2009 goes, my family can use that truck. I'll come get it for real. Yeah, man, I'll just give you my truck for free because you could use it. You know, that's kind of what things that you buy are meant, you know, even your house, you use that. I'll come take your house. My family could use it more than you, huh? That don't make sense now, does it? I don't see your stuff getting blown up there, pal. Ooh, that was a nice ping. Oh wow, we're getting down to the subframe on this bumper, I think. Official that kid goes, bet you won't blow it up. Other than that, if I see your shit again, I'ma scroll ASAP. Blow your stuff up, huh? And of course, if you boys want to purchase your own stickers, your Burt Build stickers, they are available. Currently only on Shopify, but we are dropping a website soon. Very exclusive, very, very premiere. And what's going to be on that website, you ask? Well, you know, we're going to have various things, merchandise, hats, sweatshirts, coasters, and some specialty items. Mercedes-Benz badge from the 300 SD Turbo Diesel Mercedes. That's going to be for sale on the website. Brand new key. Brand new Ford key remote from my limited F-150 that started all of this greatness, which the OGs remember. That's going to be for sale on the website. The key. Original 1994 Dodge Ram 1500 12-valve Cummins turbo diesel, fully loaded. Key goes to the 70,000 mile original engine that is inside this Ford F-250 King Ranch. This key is going to be available on the website. So yeah, that's just really the start, boys. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the builds, because they're not going to stop. People on the internet they're on the internet, so they're going to say whatever they want to say, and that's that. Same goes for text messages, emails, etc. And I mean, hey, John Gruden, Raiders head coach, just got bopped for some emails. So they can really come after you for whatever. He wasn't even working for the NFL or anything when those were sent. also, boys, you gotta try to appeal to people as a person, because ultimately, if people, even on the internet, don't care about you as a person, they're never gonna want to follow you and listen to what you say or watch what you put out there. It's just not gonna happen if they don't care about you as a person. And there are a lot of people that mean a lot to me out there that watch my videos, so it works kind of as a nice merry-go-round, as they say. Or a mutual beneficial relationship. Ooh, a little dark in here.